He never.
Give me my water. Where my water bottle at?
Talking to me.
Where my water bottle?
I don't know, cause this is mine.
Give my water bottle, y'all. I'm not gonna play with you on my life.
My water bottle.
Aaron, get up.
Whoa!
Where my water bottle at?
Shay, you just
Yeah,
said
give my
it.
water
I swear
bottle.
to God, this is my water bottle.
I know
Shay.
that's yours. So give me mine. I'm not gonna
I
play it
don't-
on my mama.
How
Y'all
do
make
I
me
have
mad.
yours?
You
On
just,
my life.
I just said it behind me. Can you
Shay.
please stop? You irritating me.
You know what? I'm
Can
done.
you please back up
People
out the
always
camera?
keep- Shay, that's your water bottle right there.
That's mine.
Then this is yours right here. Why you over there blaming me?
Okay, y'all.
I would have made it.
If you're looking for a winner, looking for a dancer, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a dancer.
Do something to do it. What is
Let me
up?
show y'all how much I
YouTube?
love
What is
y'all.
up?
Let me show y'all how much
It's
I
your
love
girl
y'all.
Timberly in the cut.
I'm currently
Hey.
uploading. Can y'all see this? I'm
She been
uploading
waiting for a long time.
Yeah, I've been waiting like an hour for this to upload because the Wi-Fi here sucks. I'm uploading my moving vlog, so if you haven't checked that out, then go check that out. Get in the video. Come see her.
Timma did that because she just smiled at me.
I swear to God, I didn't do that.
I swear to God, I ain't do that.
I put that on my papa grave. I
Don't
do
put it
that.
on my pawpaw. You put it in. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back.
What is up,
What it do?
YouTube? What is up? It's your girl Erin in the cut. I stole it from
I
somebody
really
YouTube, so
hate
don't
that
get
I'm right here because
copyright.
I feel discluded. Like I'm not in it.
Just
So
spit on
move.
Aaron.
My name is Timberly. This is Shay. This is Marquina.
Where's
AKA
government
Okay.
name out
Yana.
here.
Shh, calm down,
And-
everybody, please.
this is Aaron.
Aaron, you at the video now. Yeah, Aaron, turn around. Sorry about that. This is the laugh. Try not to laugh challenge. It, okay, so we'll see how this go. I'm super goofy, so I got anxiety with this right now.
Me and Aaron on the volleyball team. Look.
All right, me and Young gonna be the first to go. Me and put some water in your mouth.
So y'all should have laughed then. Y'all.
But we're not
Can you
even
wait
watching the
then?
video.
We gonna try to make each other laugh. You
I
know what I'm saying?
must spit
We
back
can
on
try
Shay
that
over
again.
right there.
You ain't finna spit on me.
Come
Who
in.
is it? Who is it?
Patty in the cut. I got that off
Alright,
Queen
come on.
Naja. Cause what's his name? Her little friend. Whatever. But this is Patty. Make you laugh?
Where Mariah at? Sleep.
Go home. Oh, Shay!
What you got in your head, girl?
Shut up! Y'all spit up on Aaron.
It wasn't nothing that was even funny. It's his face.
Yeah, that's what I was laughing at.
It's like a big bear.
Get back.
I'm crying.
Shay, dang, your water got everywhere. Mine in the.
Didn't even started.
You got your whole
Move
mouth
away
gotta be
from
like
her phone
Aaron.
before you spit all over it.
Yeah, back up.
Mm-hmm.
Back up, Aaron.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, know your teeth kind of creaky. All right.
She
Okay.
ain't find that funny.
What funny? All right.
Oh, Timberly.
No, but for real, though, look at Erin's head. Like, with her forehead on here. Why your head
No,
look like
I
that?
told you she look like an alien. But Tim, look. And look.
Alright.
Yeah, what's
I'm not.
wrong with you? I'm not. Why aren't you laughing?
Oh, hey.
It's not funny. Y'all wouldn't get it.
Alright, next, swallow your water, Erin.
You just nasty.
That was a big manly gulp.
Give it a couple of L. My phone! If you want it.
I thought about Timberly. Look. I thought about most of the people only being able to make that
They tried me. Y'all make a laugh. Alright, say look. Say look. Y'all make her laugh. Shay, look, what was that like? My family, you know what I'm talking about?
Do the wall. Do the challenge.
Okay.
Oh,
Now, we gotta do that next.
Ow, Timberland, my foot is not your kneecap.
Remove it. Drink some.
Hold on, wait, y'all. Why are y'all drinking water already? Shay, it's our turn. Timberland, it's our turn.
This is the thing. Timberly, you can't be in the camera because you're blocking everybody else with that big hat.
That's my thing, first off. I got hair.
Ugly underwear.
Look at my hair.
Look at my hater. And I can put it in the bowl.
I got my hair back.
I got my eggs back.
TTT, you are the best. You held my hair, girl. Now it's full.
Shay, laugh.
Have y'all seen that video?
She gonna cut the shit off, guys.
You must saw Kayla hair.
I don't see her do it here.
I'm gonna run it.
There she is.
That would have made me laugh.
A bit, mate.
Come on. Don't
Right.
sling her like that.
Right in the relaxer.
Come on, boo.
No, she don't. Wait.
Come on, boo. Out in a flame. Tim, don't ever say she don't need a relaxer. Then you sit up here looking like who did it.
But the thing is, she the one that cut my hair.
Okay.
Come on, boo.
Hmm.
Only thing when last gonna hit.
Sit up here looking like brunch.
Y'all ain't got nothing better to do but hold water. Shut the hell up.
I would have made it.
No, let me tell y'all what I was thinking. Pause, dude. Hold on. Timothy, stop talking when video is going on.
Okay, now come on, say.
You got a leak in your mouth, man. That's right. Put it in.
I mean, she might work.
Put it in.
All right. That's all I was gonna do.
The company, oh no.
The
camera, I know. That's so
Maybe
disgusting.
around 9. Around 9. Shay, ew!
That's so disgusting.
Huh? I said around 9.
No, I didn't.
Did it come for your nose?
No, you dummy.
Oh, what the?
Yeah.
Ugh, that's not fit. Everything, fuck.
No more throw up. Hell with no neck. I know.
Stop on her neck. She trying to tell you that.
Oh, yes, it is. Cause I just saw it too. The other day. See, look.
Y'all, this whole light just came on by itself.
I just been seeing it.
And then Timothy gonna... Who turned it on, though?
I been seeing that.
It's been on. Tim got to change the light. Your mom said.
I been seeing that. I been seeing
It was
this
off, though.
going. I been seeing this going.
It's
But I ain't
been
doing
doing
it.
Shut up.
Cause I was scared, so I ain't said that.
Do that again. Do that again.
Put some holy water on your head, but it still ain't growing. So let me.
It's enough. I can just look at your shit and get away. You'll be alright. You back. No, man.
Alright, you guys,
Mama.
it's over with. It's a wrap. On the camera.
So this should conclude in our video for today. Please
And-
like and subscribe and comment.
Alright.
And
Thank you guys
We'll
so
be
much
back
for watching.
with more videos.
We'll have more videos coming soon.
And y'all will always see Timberly. Liz, she by herself or she going somewhere. But
So,
it's gonna be me.
move out.
Me. Remember, I'm her sister, Timberly. And
Anyway.
Aaron, you can shut up before I.
Or you can find me.
I will, and I've been wanting to.
Alright, thank y'all. See y'all in the next one.